Hello, home decor obsessed friends of mine, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our little home decor family. I'm working very hard to grow my channel, talking about the thing I love the most, which is probably home decor. Also, don't forget to check the description box. I go ahead and link amazing things that I find from Amazon that fits into the feel of this video. And one last time, please excuse my voice. I had the flu last week. I'm still getting over it, but let's get right into this video, guys. This is going to be a new series on my channel. We are going to look at one house and go through the home decor and interior design of that home. And we are going to start with this beautiful cottage right here. This charming lake cottage features an exquisite mix of materials, clean lines, and so much function and organization. This home was beautifully reimagined to showcase current design trends and to meet the owner's current lifestyle needs and style taste. I am especially loving the 3-season porch with its beautiful connection with nature and comfortable furnishings for relaxation, but more importantly, entertaining. What details in this waterside cottage in Minnesota do you find the most inspiring, and why? Let me know in the comments section below. A gorgeous wraparound porch provides shelter from the elements and adds an additional room for lake living. Now, what you can't see is that this wraparound porch also features retractable screens that are used to close off this space when needed. So imagine being able to enjoy your porch area no matter if inclement weather comes or evening time critters come. It doesn't matter. You can sit at your table, listen to the sounds of nature, all from the convenience of your porch. The great room features bifolding doors that connects the indoors with the outdoors. So imagine if you have your bifolding doors open and your retractable screen up. Basically, your whole great room is outside. How awesome is that? All right, let's get into this kitchen that I am truly in love with. Now, honestly, I love a large kitchen, but there's something about the elegance of this smaller cottage kitchen that just has me obsessed right now. This decadent modern kitchen is fully equipped with all of the amenities and functionality. This luxury kitchen features a brass custom bar for entertaining, which you can see on the right. It's the black and brass area there. Unlacquered brass, living finish, waterworks faucet, and custom brass sink is what you see in the kitchen around the sink area. Now, for those of you all that may not know, like myself, what a living finish means on something, especially something brass, the metal sink is not sealed in any type of way, and it will actually oxidize, acquiring a unique patina over time. A swanky bar was also added to the kitchen, a popular design trend that we have seen time and time again. In this particular space, it includes a wine fridge, porcelain slab, and brass shelving with tons of storage for such a small kitchen. In this room, right off of the kitchen, they have a playful family lounge and office space with unique artwork that transforms the space. Check out all of this color and energy that this small room gives. Even though cottages are notoriously small and sometimes you have to sacrifice certain things you want in your home, the homeowners found it priority to have a home office. Home offices have become an increasingly important room in the home, especially since so many of us have been working from home. Storage, as well as a nice sized desk surface, are must-haves. This is where function and beauty can truly marry in these spaces. This modern clean mudroom features the perfect balance of dark walnut and crisp whites. In the powder bath, a custom marble sink with brass fittings and fixtures adds sophistication against the dark blue wallpaper. The elemental wall unit was sourced from stone forest, while the Henry faucet is from Waterworks. In the primary bathroom or the master bathroom, sophistication and clean lines bring beauty through the unlacquered brass and porcelain slabs and marble. This is a beautiful bathroom. Closets in small homes can easily be dark and dank, but this custom closet is bright and airy thanks to the integrated windows. This fabulous closet was designed by Twin Cities Closet Company. Most people use smaller items for smaller bedrooms so it doesn't look too small or emphasize the size of it, but this cozy bedroom is enveloped with texture and color and light to make the room feel absolutely perfect. The beautiful guest bathroom was renovated in 2011 and then refreshed again in 2020 using just a different color paint. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I'm so curious, what was your favorite room in this house? If you want to know mine, it was this beautiful room right here. Like I said, I love large houses, but this cottage I'm just obsessed with it. Even though it's a smaller home, it seems to have every single thing that you need. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know if you like these types of videos. Sometimes I just want to see more than a room in the home. I just want to see the whole house. So thank you all for taking the time to watch. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.